We have a 2020 Road Glide Special Eagle Eye custom paint set. This was a 20.5 model release, Milwaukee 8 114 cubic inch motor, custom black wheels, dual daymaker headlamp. Check out this eagle graphic. You guys, it's just beautiful. Saddlebag trim, stretch saddlebags. This color in the sun is just absolutely gorgeous. Walking around, tank art on the other side, outline barn shield. Stage 1 boom audio, brand new RDRS traction control braking system with infotainment, the newest, latest, and greatest technology. Come on in and get it. She can be yours today. Open Road Harley-Davidson. Stay tuned, stay soulful, stay safe. We have a 2020